Hello and welcome back. This is the last part. We will be connecting tail. The placement of the tail is very important. If you put your tail too low, your bunny will not be able to sit. It will fall forward. We want to fill the tail with any scrap yarn or other filling you used, because the tail will actually help us to keep bunny in the sitting position. So will be kind of protection from bunny to falling backwards. So measure the right spot and attach only one stitch. Measure again and attach few more stitches. Measure again and continue. You want to be sure that the tail is in the perfect spot. And this is why I attach my tail at the end. I want to be sure that the bunny is completely balanced before I attach my tail. If you saw my previous videos how to attach different body parts, thank you. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you would like to know how we are attaching each body part, there are videos on my channel. I will also leave all the links in the comments in case you would like to have easy access to it. If you purchased the pattern and you have any questions or concern, or you're stuck in any spot, just leave them in the comments and I will be happy to help you. And one more reminder, something I didn't do in this case: keep your yarn tail longer. My tail now is super short, so I really need to make a knot to be sure that this connection will stay in place after washes. And yes, this tail will be so much easier to operate if I have a longer yarn tail. But let's hide this one and we are done. Let's see. Yes, this is our Happy Days bunny. I hope you have a lot of happy days, and I hope I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.